Sometimes I get it wrong, but you help me get it right. And sometimes I'm in the dark, but you're there to hold the light. And sometimes you make me laugh, and oh, how you've heard me cry. And sometimes you make me feel so wonderful inside. And I'll keep on telling you now, over and over again. You got a way, you've got a way that heals me with love like I've never known. And when I'm with you, got a soothing peace, and I got a lot of wants, but you know my every need. I've gone through many hard times, but you've given all those good times. I love you with everything, my heart, my soul, my mind. Lord, I keep on telling you now, oh, you got a way, you've got a way, Lord, you move me with love like I've never known. Yes, you do, when I'm with you, when I'm with you, Lord, I'm always, oh, I'm always at home. We have some wonderful guests on the show today. Author Stephen W. Himes is with me. He's the man that put together all those wonderful Laura Ingalls Wilder stories, some of the old rare things, the undiscovered things. He's going to be with us. Also, 6-time Grammy Award-winning artist Jimmy Sturr is going to be with us. Please stay with us for the next hour. We have a lot of fun coming. And you got a way, you got a way that moves me, Lord, with love like I've never known. Yes, you do, when I'm with you, when I'm with you, I'm always, oh yes, I'm always at home. Sit back, make yourself at home for the rest of this hour. This is the morning edition. I'm Susan Meredith. We're going to go to a devotional, and we'll be right back.